Number 22 gives a slope field and it shows the solution going through that slope field. And that solution looks to be tan. So we're looking for a slope field whose antiderivative is going to be the tan function. If I take a look at A, well, the antiderivative of tan is not tan, although the initial condition does fit, so 0, 0. The antiderivative, which is going to give us the shape of the actual graph being drawn through the slope field, is not going to match. So it does, the antiderivative of the tan function, or the derivative of the tan function, should be a secant, not a tan function. So we're going to eliminate A. We could also kind of make the same argument for the cotan, but we could also see that the points don't match. So at x equals pi over 4, the y equals 1. Okay, that's not really going to work here, and the antiderivative of cotan is not tan. Here, same thing, if we take a look at the antiderivative, although the initial condition does match, the antiderivative of this function is going to be a cubic function. And so this is not really a cubic function with a different with a different vertical shift. Because cubic functions, although it has kind of a similar shape, we would have a whole bunch of slope fields that would be able to just vertically shift the function through the slope field and be able to match. So that is not correct either. So taking a look at this, if we took the antiderivative of this function, it would be arctan. Well, this is tan and not arctan. Arctan would be going through the slope field like that. So this differential equation, the antiderivative is arctan, and it will not give us this slope field. So likely the answer is going to be E. In fact, the answer is E, and we'll show why as well. When I set up this derivative, I can anti-differentiate this. So we're going to say that the y is equal to the, actually maybe I'll set it up this way. So we'll say start with dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y squared. We want to separate the variables and integrate this. And so we're going to end up with arctan here. Okay, we don't want arctan. However, we do, if I want to solve this, so first of all, if I just plug in 0 and 0, I get c equals 0. So I end up with arctan y equals x. Well, this is an inverse function, so I just inverse it to get tan x equals y. Well, that is definitely tan x equals y going through 0, 0. So the answer is definitely E.